Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go.
Quiet on the set! Poppy's about to record! Quiet! Quiet on the set!
Hi, gang! Poppy here! And I'm in the computer room, as you can see. Let's adjust this a little bit. There we go. You see above my head? Yeah, see above my head the styrofoam board with Everett's and Craig's Workshop stickers. Just waiting for some company. Just waiting. Plenty of room. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Ah! What can I say? The smart people, the doctors, not the politicians, the doctors, say that 30% of the people on Earth are going to get the COVID-19 virus. That's the one they call them Corona, Chinese Corona. There's 7 different of them. 2 of them cause common cold. Another 2 cause SARS and MERS. So it's not all that strange. It's just a different form. We just had a death in California from it. That don't sound good. Last I heard, 79 countries got it. You know. One doctor said what China did, dragging people out of their homes, detaining them forcibly, burning bodies in an open pit, clamping down their borders, not letting people in and out because of the disease, may have saved the rest of the world a little bit of time. What can I say about a culture where the emperor... Hi.
How was that?
Let me see.
Just push it down like this. You want to go fast? Push it down like that, then go again, and it takes it real quick. Come on, you asshole. Get out. Best I could do was
Okay, let's see if my wife adjusted her camera so that it works right. I should be able to. Well, I didn't need Adam Booth's hydraulic press to push the button this time. Thank you, darling, thank you. Set this aside for later. What I have for you tonight is what AVE yeah, I'm dragging something heavy across the computer room floor here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put you on the tripod. Hi. Talk to you while I'm unscrewing this heavy thing. Ow. Clamp you in place. Here we go. As AVE would say, a treat special. Come on. Hey! Rather than adjust the camera, nope, other way. Yeah, have the actor move to their spot on stage. There we go. As you see from the glass plate and the triangular thing is missing one of its little tiny wheels. This is a microwave oven. It's a Sharp carousel. We've had it about 10 years. The one we had then died. Wife went to thrift store. $10. It hasn't died yet. Hasn't died yet. But I'm gonna mercy kill it. As you know, these microwave platters are heat resistant. They're microwave safe. And once you sterilize it, in the sink with soap and water, you can cook on this. 1 year, my wife and I, we went through the kitchen and we got rid of a lot of stuff. We had 7 of them. Okay, all right, sweetie, give us a kiss and show us your knickers. I'm pretty sure one of my uncles on my mother's side said that. Okay. Oh, always got to be one, huh? Let's see. I think I got that easy outer still here in the box. Here he is. Here we are. You see, this is one of them go backwards and take it out forcibly. It ain't doing it. And I took the Sears triple set, right? Or didn't I?
Here you go, in English.
Thank you.
All you need to know about this.
Thank you, dear.
I got you.
No, it's eyeglass tools.
You're done. Hallelujah. Finally put my foot together.
Okay, something heavy to bang on it with. Okay.
You want a hammer? There's roast mallets too.
Hey. What can I say? Sometimes you just gotta use force. I better keep this out here. I'm way want to threaten some part. And somewhere down the road in this unbuild. Hey, aha! The bottom. or should I say the back. Now, some of you may ask, why is Poppy mercy killing? Why is Poppy mercy killing this microwave? How about you? You want to cooperate? Yes, you do. You're an electrical connector. You're smarter than these chassis screws. Ah, no wonder. That's a Torx. Those are both Torx. Anti-temper torque. Okay. Like Scotty said, this one. Nope. This one. Nope. How about this one? Hey, eventually I get the right one. Okay, anyway, you may be asking, why, Poppy, are you taking this thing apart? It still works. Just barely. Hey, you hear the old lady? Just barely. Since the wife had the credit card and it was payday. Oh. Anyway, since it were payday, she went and got a brand new Hamilton Beach. Looks nice.
Quite nice.
No? Oh, I went on the floor back behind all the software. Oh well, it's just a screw. Anyway, why take this thing apart? Well, I need some content. I seriously need content, and content requires you have something to do something to. And everything I want to do, the stuff I want to do it to, is expensive. And like I said before, Poppy's running his workshop on his beer money each month. So, I gotta get content somehow, don't I? Okay, now we've got. Yeah. My wife was just saying, she's off camera, you can't hear her, that she paid $10 for this at the thrift shop. I believe it was hospice, a garage sale. She paid $10 for it, and it lasted longer than ones we bought brand new. Yeah, imagine that. Oh, come off of there, you. Off on one side. Obviously, it's got clips going down, holding it in place.
must get that for $10 here. And I can't believe, as old as it is, it lasted better than the new ones I've bought.
Yeah.
I'm betting.
Okay, now, one thing. Now, one reason is things you can do with stuff from a microwave. Shell. Take a piece of plywood, take it across the bottom, across the back with another one, and bang. You got a nice little shelf to put on your desk or your workbench.
Man, it holds fine. He made one for me.
They work good. Okay, here we're into the meat. A light bulb. I'm gonna get you off. Oh well, there's a screw here. It sort of feels like cheating to undo the fasteners before I get out the chainsaw. But what the hell? Aha! I need a cutting tool. Ugh. Okay, here he is. There. Cut them loose from that. Pull that. Ah, come off there, you. Grab it in the right place, Poppy. Anyway, come off there. Hey. Oh, and that is screwed in place. That's the first time I've seen that. Look at that. This light bulb has a screw holding it in place. Yeah. And let's see this nice piece of bracketry. Boom, into the garbage. The light bulb still works, unless I damaged it. But when this baby was taken out of service yesterday and stuck in the corner of the kitchen waiting for Poppy to take it apart, it was still working. Okay, let's see if we can get these off. And what are you? Some kind of sensor would be my guess. Anyone know what that is? Okay. Now screw it. Miscellaneous wires, all usually connected. Now this is the dangerous part, right here.
Be careful.
Ah, close you.
Careful, Poppy. Your dad will be unhappy.
Yeah.
Gotta take care of yourself.
Yeah.
And just enough you can get the flowers.
Yeah. Slide this one off first. There. Get that well away from there. And we can pop this one off. Now, with a screwdriver.
Fill up a flathead.
No, I did it. We jump across that just in case there's a charge.
Careful.
roll on to. Now, the neat things you can get out of one of these, there are some really nice parts inside your average microwave. The magnets inside the magnetron are nice. They're usually these big ferrite donuts of respectable magnetic attraction. They have to be because they're focusing the electrons coming out. This right here is your magnetron tube. You see, the screw didn't fall. That one, okay, the whole thing's magnetic by now. Hey, you see in here, 2 ferrite magnets, very nice and strong, powerful. They used to be very exotic until someone discovered this neodymium stuff. Now, let's do this the gentle way. Nah, screw it. Yes. Transformer. Is it over here? They're over here, aren't they? No, they're not here. So that means they're over here, underneath, well, this parallel. Just for safety's sake, so I'm not immediately saying electricity run through my body and kill me. There we go. Got it loose. Now here, you see a big ass transformer. And here we got a capacitor. It said OF capacitor right on it. 2000 volt AC. Serious electricity going here. There we go. Big capacitor in the garbage. I don't want it. Imagine if I had enough of them, I could find a way to charge them up as a storage system. You know, spend $1 million on the hardware to use a bunch of old microwave capacitors. Yeah. But hey, I'd be reusing, wouldn't I? Reduce, reuse, recycle. Oh, yeah. Will it make it? Hey, got it into the garbage on one throw. My cardiologist would be proud. Okay. I'll get that piece of plastic off. I missed. Yeah. Okay, now what else do we have here? Oh yes. The little motor that turns the glass dish. Okay. A screwdriver. There we go. One direct drive slow speed motor. And that triangular piece keys into it. One of these out of a microwave 20 years ago I got and converted into a power feed for my cross feed on my Shearline lathe. You know, and it worked fairly well within its limitations. You could have come out of there. Ow! That hurt. But it came out. Yeah, I banged my wrist on this thing. It's struggling. Yeah, it hasn't come to the conclusion that its time is over. I know a song, Dave. Would you like me to sing it for you? Microwave is good. Don't kill microwave. Microwave. Damn. Oh, these are some tough wires. Okay, now you'll find a bunch of these micro switches, mini switches. Hey, you pay what? Anywhere from $1 to $5 a piece for this if you're not hip and take your old and dead microwaves apart. Oh, that's what was keeping the door closed. Oh well. Undo the screw. The plastic wants to come, but you know, I'm sort of selective. I don't just do it with just everything. Is something holding you from inside? Oh, I got screws out of it from there. Oh well. We'll do brute force. Go! Come off him! There. Door's off. Hey, the power cord fell off. Nice power cord. Grounded on one end. Oh, it screws to the chassis, so it's grounded on both ends. Okay. Presuming you want the chassis to be grounded. Okay, now ta-da! The fan. Fan works. Nothing wrong with that fan. Oh, it bounced out of the garbage. I guess there is nothing wrong with that fan, huh? Okay, now, another reason to take this piece of crap apart is the garbage can. Okay. Garbage can is small. Big thing's got to be busted down, go away a little bit by a little bit. Wait till you see the videos of me chopping up a couple of easy chairs from the living room. Remember them? They're outside waiting for me to take them apart. Can't do anything creative like make a video of them burning. I would probably meet a bunch of firemen. A policeman or two. Judge, bail bondsman. Lawyers. That's not a good idea. Okay. Oh, how pretty. That's going in the garbage. Okay, that's a bunch of power control shit in a garbage. Now this would be easier for me to get rid of.